Guys, Emily here. I'm going to explain our 30-minute circuit section for you. So you can see our steps and our equipment are all numbered. It goes from 1 all the way to 20 at the end. It's designed for you to get a full workout in just 30 minutes. Okay, so you can see here we've got a red light, green light. When it's red, you stop, rest, move to your next piece of equipment. When it's green, you go. It's a minute on and a minute off. With the machines, so if you come over, you can have a look. All of our machines will show you what muscle we're targeting, how to do the movement. Most of them will have a counter and a timer that you can use as well. And then I like to point out, if you find this nice orange color, this is what you can use to adjust the machine. Okay, and it's always a pulling motion. Okay. So you can see as well, the pin is also that color, which means you can change that as well. Best way to learn these machines is to our circuit class.